How to create a restaurant brochure on Word, Microsoft, easy and fast. Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to create restaurant brochure on Microsoft Word, easy and fast in less than 1 minute. So all what you have to do is go to Microsoft Word. This is the home page as you can see right here. Now go to the top right here and click on the business option and it will take you to this page. Now right here you will find many templates of the business, and here is the restaurant brochure. If you didn't find it here, just search here for restaurant and you will find it as you can see. Now click on it like this and click create like this, and it will take you to this page. Now right here you can edit easy and fast anything from the price, the items, and easy to edit as I said. Don't forget to like and subscribe.